Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sign in to CapCut using TikTok. So go to homepage, or if you can't find that, just open up a project, go to menu, and back to homepage. Select sign in, and you're just going to select sign in with TikTok. And I already signed in on my TikTok account. So I'm just going to select authorize. And I'm just going to select open, and it's hopefully going to sign in with TikTok, as you can see up here. That is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!